What's up? What's up? What's up? YouTube, this is Dre from Mississippi. Just wanted to give you all a holla out tonight. See how you're doing, let you know how I'm doing. Yesterday was day 6, or today is day 6. Tomorrow's day 7, so it'll be exactly a week since my surgery, which I weighed 230 in the beginning, and now I'm down to 213. And so I'm very proud of myself, I guess, to say the least. I can actually look in the mirror and see the difference. Where my incisions are, the largest incision, where they removed my port and my stomach, it was swollen for the past week, and as of today I can see that the swelling is starting to subside. And so I'm real happy for that. I think that a lot of the gas and bloat that I had before surgery, because of the problems that I was having with the Lapband and acid reflux combined, made me a whole lot larger than what I actually was. As a matter of fact, the doctor actually told me that a lot of it was bloat from the acid that I was retaining in my body. Anyway, so I wanted to talk to you about the progression yesterday from clear liquids over to full liquids. It actually went pretty good. The only thing that and I think I talked to you all about this in my last video on Saturday, which was day 4 of this journey. And so I'm able to drink a bottle of water, a full bottle of water, with no, I could say no real restriction, but at times I can feel a restriction, and then it immediately goes away, maybe within 30 seconds. And so in one sitting, I am able to drink a full bottle of water. And I thought that that was just the water part of it, or the clear liquids part of it. Well, now that I've transitioned into the full liquids, I had to incorporate in my protein shakes yesterday and things of that nature. So 2-ounce cups of soup, and I thought that the fullness would be there then, and I still haven't noticed it a lot. Now I do feel, I do know that there is restriction, but there just isn't the amount of restriction that I expected. I talked to a friend of ours, mine and my wife's, and she told me that she had or better yet, we knew that she had the revision from the Lapband to VSG as well, and she felt the same way. And so, that, and she said, or she rationalized it by saying that maybe our bodies, through Lapband, had taught or was accustomed to eating less and drinking less. And then now that that Lapband is removed and that restriction is gone, maybe this opens up just a little bit more, which would allow our bodies to intake more than most other VSG patients. Anyway, I don't know. I'm learning, and I'm doing whatever I can, and so I just don't. It just kind of shocked me. It took me aback that I can do more than what I thought that I would be able to. So as I told you yesterday, I progressed from the clear liquids over to full liquids. So got up yesterday morning, got me a bottle of water, filled my Yeti cup up with some more water and ice to ride to church for Easter Sunday, and drank one bottle on the way there, no problem. Had service, a little bit of dry mouth, but it was okay. I knew that I was getting in the amount of water that I was supposed to, and so then I realized when we went to Easter dinner at my wife's family's house that I had forgot to bring or purchase protein, and I don't know that it was that I forgot. My wife and I had a lot of discussions before the surgery because I was trying to ping off her to tell me what I would need to do, because this surgery, of course, was different than the Lapband procedure anyway. So she told me that with her surgery that a lot of the tastes for things that she had before surgery weren't the same after. So I decided not to buy protein shakes until after, so that I could taste and choose what I wanted. I'm a big muscle milk fan. I don't think that'll ever change, but I wanted to try some more because I wanted a variety of flavors. So yesterday I found Quest protein powder, and this store in South Mississippi had, where I'm from, had a couple of different flavors. I think it was vanilla. I know that there was chocolate. I purchased peanut butter, and then I purchased salted caramel. Now, I can have salted caramel anything, and I mean, I drank it and I thought I was at an ice cream stand. It was so good. I usually fill my bottle with water and then add the protein powder to it, and then I put it in the freezer, let it sit, and let it get kind of slushy, just so that I can eat it and kind of trick myself into thinking that I am having ice cream. No real problem yesterday, though. I think everything went great. I mean, I know everything went great. I drank it. I had a level of fullness until we left from my wife's family's house. You know, one thing that I've realized with this is that you do have issues with hunger, or not hunger, but wanting it, and I think it's a mental thing. And so as of yesterday, of course, you know, your families get together and you have Easter dinner. So they had ham and fish and greens and potatoes and all of the things that I like. But I was strong enough to withstand it. I didn't taste any of it. I did fry all the fish for our family members that were there, and I think I did pretty good. Just drinking my protein shake and drinking my water, making sure that I was full. Now, last night, after we returned, I did try some strained cream of mushroom soup. It was good. I'm gonna tell you, I'm a salt fanatic. This past week of having clear liquids and nothing with any salt in it was kind of hard. And so that little bit of salt that was in that soup, the 2 ounces of soup gave me life. I'm telling you, it gave me life. I mean, it was so good to me. And then just to have something warm. The only issue, I think, all of that, all my food and everything was good. I think that I progressed well into this second phase, though, as I told you, I still have a little bit of dizziness. Hopefully that'll get better as I increase my protein. As far as exercise is concerned, I'm doing walking. I've limited myself to walking around my neighborhood. Hopefully tomorrow I will expand that a little more, maybe add in a couple of blocks or so. I have noticed that I sweat more than what I did pre-op, and that's okay. I'm hoping that it's part of the weight loss journey. Which I'm sure that it is, and so just trying to do what I do, man. I'm trying my best to stay encouraged and do the things that I'm supposed to do. I thank you guys because I used your videos that you made were what have helped me to move forward in this journey, and so I thank you. And if you have any suggestions for me, or comments or concerns or encouragement or critiques, please get on my YouTube page and just let me know what they are. I hope you guys have a great night.